new here, my name is Pretty and I post my travel vlogs, which include activities and adventures. So guys, Merry Christmas to all of you guys. So this is how my Christmas has been, and I have got a lot of presents. However, not all of them are mine. Some are mine, some are my mum's, and some are my cousin brother Sahil's. So I'm going to be unwrapping only my presents because my mum or my cousin brother Sahil, he does not want to come at the video. Neither does my mum. And so half of these are mine where they are, and then the ones that I've got, Sahil and my mum, they're gonna open later but not on the video because they really do not want to be a part of any of this. Okay, so we'll start with my presents obviously, and so I found here this one. So this one, it is from my mum because she has labelled literally every single present to make sure that everyone knows who got each other what. And so now I'll be opening this one present out of, it looks like mini, so okay, so it seems like she has ordered a few things off of Shein. There's 3 different things, so let's open it and see what it is. So I've got this top right here and a matching set of shorts as well, which you see on Shein everywhere, and so I'm guessing my mum has ordered this for the summer for me, and so it is really nice. And then there's also, I think, a matching belt to go with it as well. So that's 1 pair out of the 3 in 1 packet. Next one, another top, and it looks somewhere, which I'm guessing indirectly she is kind of saying that we probably have a lot more summer trips going on soon with these shorts and the matching top as well. Last one, these 3 are just in 1 parcel, guys. Another, I'm guessing similar to the other one as well. So these shorts and another matching top to go with it. So I'm guessing we will have a lot of summer holidays so that I can wear these new clothes. Now up for the next one. This one is from my brother Sahil, and I did go with him to get this, but I stayed outside and so I have no idea what it is. So this is what he got me. This is a hoodie from Nike, and so it is really nice. Also, because it is cropped, I do love it as always. And one more to my Nike collection of other hoodies. So I'm literally just going to be putting everything here and then opening the next one. Okay, and so another present from my mum. Clothes, and this video will take forever if I open every single clothes. So you will see me wearing similar to all these clothes in my summer video, so stay tuned for those. And now on for the next one. Yep. More Shein clothes, guys. This one looks like other sets as well. So my mum has got me, I'm guessing she has got me a lot of summer clothes for this time of Christmas, because all of these packets are from Shein, and there's this really nice black long dress as well, which I'm guessing I'm probably going to go to a nice dinner in a really nice hot place as well, maybe somewhere in the Caribbean or Mediterranean or something like that, and I'll probably wear this. But guys, on to the next one because there are a lot more to go through. Okay, so now on to the next one. Which one is mine though? Because there's mummy to mummy, so I'm guessing she got a present for herself as well. There's Louis Vuitton here, but it doesn't say my name, so it's probably not mine. It's probably my mum's. Here. This one is very oddly wrapped. What was that wrapping? I could not unwrap it for the life of me, but now something from HomeSense. Oh, she's got me a really nice bag, guys. It is really nice, and I've been wanting a bag like this forever because wherever I go with my friends to town and stuff, I need a bag to keep all my stuff inside. So she has got me a really nice bag. I will put there. Thank you so much, Rob. I really needed a bag like this, so I have got a really nice bag as well. So now put that to the side. Another one from my mum. More Shein clothes. Put it to the pile right here. This one as well. What type of wrapping have you done? Oh my god.
Habujo.
So there are more Shein clothes right here. There looks like a really nice print on this one, flower print on this one, another print on this one, and so much, guys. I'm going to put it all right here, and then maybe I might show you after, but because I'm getting things done, because otherwise this video will take forever to go on and on and on. Oh, another present from Sahil. Okay, so I've got this from JD. Guys, Sahil has got me these really nice tie-dye Nike joggers. They look really nice and they feel really comfy. Thank you very much. I really do like the whole pair. It is this one and the green right here. So I've got a whole new green Nike pair as well to wear. Another present from my mum now. Michael Kors! Guys, so it looks like a really nice bag. Let's open it and find out. I'm still going to keep this bag as well, very safe. It is very nice. Oh wow. So my mum has got me a really nice Michael Kors bag. It's like a nice travel bag because it is a crossbody bag, and so we could have our adventures in Italy like we did because we had a lot of luggage, and so that no one steals the bag. That's why we kept it in crossbody. And it is also like this as well. So it is really nice and also a light pink colour, and I really like it, and I will open it later and show you guys afterwards. So we will put this back in here to keep it safe. Then that can go there. Right, anything else? This is the last present from my mum. It looks really big as well, so let's open it. Oh! Okay, so she's got me a really big Ted Baker Bath and Body collection right here. It is huge. There is a lot of stuff in it. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 things in this one thing. It looks really big and I cannot wait to use it because it looks really nice and fancy as it is Ted Baker. Okay, so this, my aunt from Canada, she has got me this. She told Sahil, and then Sahil has bought this for me, and so it looks really nice to use in my new bath, which my whole room upstairs is still in the process of redoing and stuff. And so when I get my new bath, I can finally use it because I haven't been in a bath in ages because our downstairs one literally got demolished and we have a shower now. And so this one, and another thing that my aunt got is this as well. Is a Ted Baker handbag heroes to keep in like your purse or something, and it looks really nice. You get perfume, hand lotion, a little mini purse, and then I'm guessing mascara, and then lipstick as well. Just like a handy thing to keep in your purse, and I really like it. And it is obviously Ted Baker, so the smell is everything and really fancy. So the stuff in here I am probably going to use from and put in this my new bag, so I'll probably put all this stuff in here and use it in my next adventure. Don't know where, but I will be using it. Okay, so that is it for all my presents. All these presents that I can see everywhere else is either what I got for Sahil and my mum and what we all got for each other. And so this is where I'm going to just be enjoying my moment, having an actual really good look at what I've got, and probably brag about it all the time to Sahil because we always fight on who gets the better stuff, and I definitely have, even though I've also got him something very nice which he will see later on. So this is where I'm going to be ending it. Stop it. This is where I'm going to be ending it, and I'll be enjoying my moment. I will put photos at the end of this video and you can see everything that I've got then. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! Bye, Dad!